Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Jay Torrey. Moving forward, I wanted to switch things up. I'm still gonna be having, those single shows, just me spinning about Cardano, all that. But moving forward, I wanted to start bringing people onto the show and give different inputs on different types of cryptos, all of that. So before I get into how we're gonna go about it, I wanted to introduce the legend himself, my man Glocks.
JT, appreciate it, man. Thank you for bringing me on your show, man. Can't wait to tell the fans about what we got in store for them and some of the cool cryptos that are out there that we can help people change their lives and make money just like we did in the past few years, man.
Man, I've been waiting to get you on the show. I have. I've been on Twitter, in your DMs trying to get you on.
I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it. I'm here. I'm at a good point right now. I feel like I could deliver a lot of information to people. You've helped me out with a lot of information on specific cryptos that you got. So looking forward, man, to helping people out be able to change their lives, man.
I hear that. I respect it. So what's great about this is that Glocks is a big XRP guy. Now, as you guys know, I'm a big Cardano guy. So we have two different sides to what we're going to talk about. So you're getting two different point of views. But the best thing about us is that what really brought me and Glocks together is that we see the same future. Matter if he's XRP, I'm Cardano, we see the same future for the whole crypto space. That's what really brought us together once we started talking to each other. So that's why I think this is going to be a fun show. I'm going to go over real quick what the topics are so you get used to what's going on. So as you see, I just popped up in the middle. First topic, if when we start the show, we're going to give some shout outs. It's going to be, if we were on a live show, we would get the audience involved. We would tell the audience, ask them questions. But this is a recorded episode. So we're going to go down the list. Shout outs. The first one, it could be anything. Glocks, me shouting out, it's my mother's birthday, or, it's this, this crypto, anything about some type of crypto that you want to throw out. Just something fast. Just
RP Army, you always gonna get the shout out, man. Same thing with Cardano Army, man. Y'all gonna get the shout outs.
It's XRP and ADA gang all the time. But quick shout outs. Then we're gonna go and we go down. See now, I'm not gonna explain the whole story. Do you see the little Counter-Strike guy? That's a Counter-Strike guy dropping down the list. That's actually how me and Glocks met each other 15 plus years ago. That story is for a complete different episode because that's a cool story how we met.
We'll definitely save that one down a little bit longer. We don't want to keep you guys here wasting all your time, man.
Yeah, that's a good one though. So then next, now as you see on the screen, we're going down the list. It's not going to be the same exact topics every time, but just to give you guys a brief preview that we're going to be going over XRP. That's Glocks' specialty. He knows the whole science to everything. He's going to spit it to you guys. Real smart with XRP. Cardano, you already know me with Cardano. That's my go-to. I'm always looking for updates on Twitter. I'm researching about Cardano all the time. So we're going to get some good updates on that. Not even just updates. I'm not going to be here just sitting and saying, oh, this is what happened 2 days ago. Like, we're going to tell you the updates, but we're going to get into it. We're going to give you opinions, and we're going to, really spice it up. You know what I mean, Glocks?
Yeah, especially for people who, can't get a chance every day. Whether you got work, you got, kids, shit you got to take care of, right? We're going to be here to give you that information that you may not be able to find through mainstream, media. So if you need a quick outlet, quick 10, 15-minute video to help you figure out what happened during the week to give you a better idea of what to do with your investments, we definitely are going to be able to help you with that.
Exactly. That's again, because how I got into crypto was watching a bunch of YouTube videos. So, and I know there's not many people that, spit it like I think how we're going to be explaining. I think we'll reach a certain audience the way we go back and forth.
Yeah, the most important thing is we'll be able to tell you some of the bigger words and what's happening with that, but break it down for the regular person who may not understand what those things mean and what's happening. It'll allow you to go back and do your own research on these things. You don't have to take what we're saying, to heart, right? But definitely cross-reference for yourself so you feel more comfortable on whatever it is that you are investing in moving forward,
Well said, Glocks. Well said. All right, and then I'm just going to go down again. NFTs. We're going to be talking about NFTs. Glock's got some good information. I'm not too in detail with NFTs, but I could definitely go back and forth about them. Anything on that, Glock?
So NFTs it's a huge space, man. There's so many things going down, but it's also a very interesting time of regulation. So it's like while NFTs are the rave and it's going to be the future for sure, they're not regulations yet. So there's a lot to talk about with NFTs from projects from Ethereum. Cardano is now doing NFTs. You're going to see NFTs on the XRP ledger, which I think is going to be huge for the NFT system. You already see Ethereum doing NFTs, and they've done a good job. But the problem with NFTs is people are just interested in making money, which we all are. But not every project long term is going to do that. And this is an important time for people to learn how to invest into the right NFTs, if that makes sense. So you'll be able to talk to us and get some good information on projects that we think are going to do good long term for residual income, as well as, long term income. So you'll be able to make residuals long term from these projects that we talk about. We're going to make sure we try to give you guys the best NFT projects that we're seeing in our eyes.
Yeah, no, definitely well said. It's definitely some risky projects out there, and we're gonna do the best to, give you the blue chips. All right. So then the last round, we're gonna just as something to go out with. We're gonna call it the Sonic round, and we're just gonna go back and forth with a few lightning questions. Could be about crypto, could be about sports, could be about anything. We're just gonna either whether you get more about us or we give you advice on certain things. It's just gonna be quick. And go ahead, Doc. Let's
very very simple. So as the week goes on, a bunch of stuff happens in crypto. It gets crazy. It bounces up, bounces down, right? What we want to do is be able to tell you what are the blue chippers of the week, what's been doing good, why it's been doing good. Just a quick, just little glance. That way you guys can take a look into it long term. And that's what we're here. We're gonna give you, little easier overviews of stuff that you might see on some of these websites, but you may just not have the time to just go into depth and have an understanding of it right away. So we're going to try to give you those understandings right away, so that way you guys can, like I said, make some money while there is time to make money, because there's a pump about to happen, man. There's a lot of money to be made if you put your time and effort, and your savings into it, man.
It's true. The pump. I think there's a pump coming too. All right. That's going to be the topics. Again, they're going to switch. They're going to vary. We're going to try to put out as much content as we can for you guys, and just come watch the next episode. We're going to cut this short. This is just the introduction. I wanted to introduce Glocks. I want to introduce what we're going to be, providing with this show, and I think it's going to be fun. I think it's going to be, you could definitely learn new stuff about crypto. So, before we go, drop a like, subscribe, comment below. We interact, and just keep the channel going and growing.
Yeah, for sure. Let us know your opinions, guys. Let us know what you think. If you feel we might be saying something that you may not agree us, let us know why you don't agree with it. That's what we're here for. We're here to have healthy debates, talk about these things, so that way, as investors and people who are in the same field, we're here to help each other.
That's it. All right, yo. Check in next episode.
Peace.